What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. Guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe. So our first car for the day is this 1995 Toyota Previa, which is going for 46,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 272,966 kilometers in the clock. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder petrol engine producing 99 kilowatts of power and 212 newton meters of torque, with a 5-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 11.5 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 75 liters. According to the Tekla report, this car has 8 issues, which are hooter is not working, warning lights alert, tires need replacement, and shocks are defective. So this car exterior, it is still in a good condition. If you wanna do a transport car, you can get this car. So when it comes to the interior, you have your 7 seats or 8, or you have your air conditioning, stereo system, closed seats. Interior, it is quite clean. You also have your armrest there, as you can see. There's nothing too much about the interior of this car, but if you need a transport vehicle, it is quite beautiful and clean. Our second car for the day is this 2005 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, which is going for 54,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 245,690 kilometers in the clock. It has a 1.8-liter supercharged inline four-cylinder petrol engine producing 121 kilowatts of power and 230 newton meters of torque, with a 5-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 10.28 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 62 liters. According to the data report, this car has 21 issues, which are very expensive, as you know, Mercedes-Benz, and price is very high. So you need to have a really good budget. So the interior of this car, you have a multifunction steering wheel, your leather seats, your infotainment system. There's nothing too much about this car, as is the oldest car, but when you're going to buy this car, you are going to know each and every mechanic's number by heart. So buying this car is going to be a risky, but if you have a project or you know how to fix a car, this one is the one to go. Our third car for the day is this 2011 Renault Twigo, which is going for 50,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 203,217 kilometers on the clock. It has a 1.2-liter petrol engine producing 56 kilowatts of power and 105 newton meters of torque, with a 5-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 40 liters. This car, it is quite clean. All the windows are tinted. I didn't see any scratch, didn't see any dent. Even the white, it is still okay. So according to the Tekla report, this car has 4 issues, which are gearbox is oily, leaking, large windscreen crack, fog lights are not working, red tires damaged. So when it comes to the interior, you have your steering wheel or your infotainment system, your CD player, fabric seats. There's nothing too much about this car, but it is still in a good condition. If you want to buy a car for a Bolt, I think you can consider this car for only 50,900. Yeah, man, this car, it is quite clean, as you can see. Or if you want to do a project like a stand, you can come and buy this car. It is quite a good car, and you can fix a few things right there and there. Our next car for the day is this 2000 Mercedes-Benz M-Class, which is going for 45,900. it is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 270,000 kilometers in the clock. It has a 3.2 liter V6 engine producing 160 kilowatts of power and 350 newton meters of torque with a 5-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 55 liters. I didn't see the Dekra report of this car, but what I can tell you is that this car, it has lots of issues. So the time they updated the Dekra report, I was already gone, so I didn't check it. But the car is quite okay. I didn't see any dent, any scratches. All the windows are okay. Even the tires, the interior, it is quite clean and oldie. So you have your premium audio system, climate control, leather seats. That's it about this car. I really love this color, two color tone steering wheel. It can tell that, yeah, this one is an old Mercedes-Benz, as you know, from 2000 to 2010. They use the same color, but the car inside, it is quite clean. You have to fix there and there, but yeah, man. This is the 2008 Jeep Cherokee, which is going for 59,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 224,000 kilometers on the clock. It has a 2.8 liter turbo diesel engine producing 121 kilowatts of power and 400 newton meters of torque with a 5-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 78 liters. According to the Dekra report, this car has 5 issues, which are airbag warning, engine oil leak, engine smoke, and hooter defective. So the exterior of this car, it is still okay. I didn't see any dent, I didn't see any scratches, all the windows are okay, I didn't see any issues. You're also coming with a tow hitch right there. So when it comes to the interior, you have your steering wheel, your old fabric seats, air conditioning, CD player. There's nothing too much about this car, man, but it is quite clean. As you can see right there, you're also getting your armrest. There's nothing too much about this Jeep, but exterior wise, it is still okay. You can fix few things there and there, but at the end of the day, you will have a car. Yeah, man, what do you think about this Jeep Cherokee? This is the 1988 Honda Ballade, which is going for 50,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec and are looking to pay 1,276 per month. It has 69,798 kilometers on the clock. It has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine producing 64 kilowatts of power and 104 newton meters of torque with a 5-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 8 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 52 liters. Guys, I was also surprised about the Dekra report of this car. So this car has one issue, which is radiator crack, and I still don't believe this car, and also the mileage of this car. So the interior of this car, it is shady. As you can see, you have a 2-color tone. You have your steering wheel there, your fabric seats, they're quite clean. There's nothing too much about the interior of this car, but if you wanna do a project like a stance, you can get this car. It will work for you. But the Dekra report of this car and the mileage of this car, they really surprised me. Even the price, something is not adding up, but what can I say? But the car, it is still okay. As you can see, it is too clean inside. At least the guy, when he was selling this car, he decided to clean it so that you can have a good view of it. Right here, I was trying to open this boot, but it doesn't work. That's why I'm telling you that the Dekra report of this car really surprised me. Even the bonnet, it was very hard to open. but they didn't mention it on the DEKRA report. But yeah, man, it is what it is. Our second last car for the day is this 2003 Nissan 14 Clipper, which is going for 53,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. So you're looking to pay 1,330 per month. It has 87,508 kilometers in the clock. It has a 1.6 liter petrol engine producing 47 kilowatts of power and 132 newton meters of torque with a 4-speed manual transmission in a fuel tank capacity of 9.9 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 50 liters. According to the DEKRA report, this car has 4 issues, which are ball joints are loose, windscreen crack, not working, engine unstable, and speed unstable. So this car has few issues which you can fix there and there. The car, it is old, and according to me and my view, I think this car, it is quite in a good position, as you can tell by the age it has. So the interior was very impressive. As you can see, it is quite clean, even though the seats are torn, but I was impressed. So if you want to start a smaller Nyana business, I think is the car to go for, or a bucket to go for, so that you can start uplifting your life. Yeah, but the car, it is still okay. As you can see, the front row of it, it is still in a good condition. Our last car for the day is this 2016 Renault Clio, which is going for 59,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car, but you can apply for a car loan using Capitec. It has 171,900 kilometers in the clock. It has a 1.5 liter petrol engine producing 66 kilowatts of power and 150 newton meters of torque with a 5-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. According to the DEKRA report, this car has 4 issues, which are tires needs replacement, vehicle feels unstable, and engine oil leak. So the color of this car, it is quite shiny, didn't fade away. I didn't see any scratches, I didn't see any dent. All the windows are tinted and they are still okay. If you want to start the Bolt, I think is the car to consider. When it comes to the interior, you have your cloth seats, your touchscreen infotainment system, air conditioning, your multifunction steering wheel, your black interior. There's nothing too much about this car, as you can see. So if you've been subscribed to this channel, please do so, guys. We're on the road to 350 subscribers by the end of this month, November. So by the end of December or the year of 2025, let's get to 400 subscribers. Let's subscribe, guys, so that the channel can grow. And yeah, man, thanks, guys, to all the subscribers. Love and peace. Boom.